What up, y'all? It's your boy Hunter Miles Everything. Man, alright, so going to my boy Trini's house, which is all the way on the other side of buttfuck Egypt. I'll let you guys know when I get there. I'll see you here in the next clip. But yeah, we're gonna go put on those coilovers today. Let me see if I'll switch. My camera's not switching. I'm pressing the button. I'm press. It's not working. Alright, so don't mind the 100 Miles Everything shirt. I gotta go ahead and take the coilover kit to Trini's so we can go install it today. Yeah, buddy, we lowering this bitch. Woo! Alright, guys, here at the compa's house. About to install the coilovers, waiting for the homie to roll out, and then I'm gonna roll my shit in. Alright, so excuse the clarity, but the boy Trini over here went ahead and got ballsy and Hercules and fucking cut the damn spring off. Fuck no, I ain't chancing that shit. That's my boy. So I'm running out of light, but we got Trini with the bar down there. We got one side out. We could just cut the whole spring. We dropped the whole support back here because there was one nut over here that was hitting the strut. So yeah, buddy. All right, guys. Homie Trini helping me the fuck out. Thank you, Trini. Let's see how it goes. We got 1 out of 4 so far. All right, go. Fucking damn light. Look at that shit. I'm caught. Yeah, look at that tuck. Look at that fucking tuck. It's hitting the fender. You can hear it, huh? Oh, boy. What happened to that 3-finger gap? Damn, Eddie, you can fit your fucking chode up in this motherfucker. Look at that shit. I can't stick no finger up in here. Look at that. There's no gap. Oh, woo! Yeah, buddy. We went from that, look at that gap, to that. Whoa. Are you good? Having trouble with the last one. We're really scared to cut it. We already tried right there, as you can see. Right there. There. Well, anyways, yeah. Trini's trying to compress it right now to get it off. We already dropped the whole unit. We finally did it. It's about going on 12 on a Wednesday, and me and Trini are still out here. Thank you, Trini. Oh, finally got it done. Yeah, buddy, 100 Miles Everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow, so that way I can show you guys more footage of how the car looks dropped. But I got a long drive back home. Love you guys. 100 Miles Everything. Yeah, buddy. To pick me up because my shit's not ready and I won't be here until tomorrow morning. I have short lug nuts and my tires are locked up because the lug nuts that I have are too long. So Danny's parking his shit. My mom's on her way. Fuck you guys, I'm going home. I'm tired. Yeah, buddy. There she is. Oh man, look at that tuck, boy. Look at that tuck, boy. Oh man, she fucking low. Oh shit. Thank you, Trini. I appreciate you so fucking much, brother. Oh man, this looks dope. Alright guys, so that's it. What me and the homeboy did was basically just cut the springs, but there we go. W202 coilover install. Oh man, this thing looks badass. Alright guys. It's hot. About to go see some family today. Love y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah, buddy. Woo! What up, y'all? Alright, cool. So, this is about a couple days later. I ended up getting my car stranded there. I ended up having to wait come back next morning because the lug nuts that I had on there for the spacers were too long and they were logging up my whole rear, as you can tell, as I said. But I just want to inform you guys, I'm sorry there wasn't that much video footage. I'll have more next time. I got all kinds of stuff that I got going on this week. But yeah, so long story short, what me and the homeboy did, Trini, was cut the coils like halfway, get a sledgehammer, knock it out until they break in half, and then they'll do this number, and just just break right into each other, right in the middle. Then from there, you could just take apart the little pieces of fucking spring that are left, and then from there, it's all easy. All you gotta do is, because everything's already low. If you're if you're gonna lower the car and max it out as much as I did, and just say fuck it, full send, then you're gonna go ahead and not have any issues. All you gotta do is just plug and play. Everything already connects. Just simple as that. So the coilover setup for this one, they're not together like D2 coilovers, but these ones are still the same way. Everything's all separate, like the strut and then the spring. But like I said, everything is already lowered, so if you max it out, you don't got to worry about compressing any springs. It's already easy. You just pop them right in. But hoping you guys love this video. Stay tuned for more. I got plenty of more content coming in here this week. It's just been hot these past couple days trying to get shit done. But I love you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Woo! Hey! My bad, sorry.